Normally I'd just let this guy go, but they just stocked this pond, so we're gonna utilize him, take him home for some lunch. We cut him here to bleed him. Still got some in there. I'm gonna go for his belly first. Get the guts out. Trout are so slippery. I'm gonna run your thumb right down along all the way into the back. Just separate all this and start to pull it right on out. It should come right out. My hands are so weak because of my muscular dystrophy. Anyway, I'm gonna get some water going in here a little bit. I'm gonna get this bloodline out of here. Darkness. You see how it starts to clear out right from the boat. You want it to be kind of like this. The cleaner that is, the less fishier your fish is gonna be, that's for sure. You just take your time and work it out. Like I said, it goes a lot faster if your hands work. Mine don't really work as well as they used to. Some of this is deep in the bone. You can really spread it like that. And that water helps get that out, but you really do want to get as much of that out as you can. It'll be the cleanest, especially if you're going to store it at all before you cook it. And there we go, we got him. And we're going to take him over to the cutting board and just do a little fillet action on him. Okay. So, with your nice sharp fillet knife, you come in right here by the gill plate, and you're going to come down to the spine. Actually, yeah, right here, wait, go right down to the spine. Man, this knife is not sharp. Feel it going right through those little ribs. If you can see this going right along the edge of this spine, I'm going to take the ribs with the fillet, and then I'll fillet the ribs off of the fillet. I wish my hands worked the way they used to. I really do. We'll set this guy to the side and we'll get the other fillet off. We'll deal with it from there. Ain't gonna be nothing left of this fish. Just the spine. I am actually going to sharpen my knife one more time and then fillet the skin off. So dull. The dullest knife in history. Now we got this little fillet here. And this little fillet here. They look pretty clean. It should taste pretty clean. Not too fishy. And we will take these over to the frying pan. Okay. Got our fillets. Turn this heat a little past medium here. Get that warming up. And throw in a little bit of oil here. Get that heating up nice. Some people really like to dry their fish, pat it real dry first. I honestly don't care. I think it fries it a little quicker or a little more even, but I think that there's a lot more tedious tasks that people put to things. Life's a little simpler than people take it. We're going to throw some Chesapeake Bay seasoning, or like Old Bay if you have Old Bay. That's what I like to use. A little bit of that. Normally I'd use butter, but I got some coconut oil today, so I'm going to do that. Season it up real good. Okay, I think we're ready. And we are ready. Once I pop that in there, I'm going to crank the heat a little bit because we're not going to cook them very long. You get them sizzling real good, flip them over, sizzle them real good. And you got some trout. All right, we're done. Some fried rainbow trout with a Cheddar Bay biscuit.